One of the most confusing things for drivers after an accident is this. They get two repair estimates, and the numbers are not even close. One shop says one thing, another shop says something very different. And now the customer is left wondering, how can that be? Isn't the damage the same? Hi, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, and today I want to explain why one repair estimate can be much higher than another, and why that does not always mean one shop is trying to overcharge you. Here is the first thing to understand. Two estimates can look at the same car and still reflect two very different levels of repair thinking. One estimate may focus only on what is clearly visible right away. Another may be more thorough in anticipating what usually happens once the repair process begins. That difference matters. For example, let's say the front bumper is damaged. One estimate may include the obvious exterior work: remove, repair, replace, and paint. Another estimate may account for broken brackets, hidden mounting issues, alignment concerns, or parts and labor that are commonly affected in that kind of impact. So the numbers may be different because the level of detail is different. Another factor is quality. Not every shop repairs to the same standard. Some shops are more careful about prep work, paint matching, finish quality, fitment, and making sure the repaired area blends properly with the rest of the vehicle. That takes time, skill, and attention to detail. And yes, that can affect the estimate. There is also the question of what is included and what is not. Customers sometimes compare two prices without realizing one estimate may leave out items that will likely come up later. So at first glance, the lower number looks attractive. But once the work starts, the real cost may grow because the original estimate did not tell the full story. That is why the smartest question is not just which estimate is lower. The smarter question is, which estimate is more complete, more honest, and more likely to result in a proper repair? At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we believe an estimate should not just be a number. It should be the beginning of clarity. The customer should understand what is being repaired, why it matters, and what may still need to be confirmed once the vehicle is disassembled and inspected further. We know people are often worried about cost. That is understandable. Nobody wants to spend more than they have to. But there is a difference between saving money and choosing a repair plan that leaves out important realities. So if you ever get two estimates that are far apart, do not assume the higher one is wrong and the lower one is right. Take a moment to ask what is actually included. Ask what is visible now, what might be hidden, and what standard of repair you are really comparing. Because in collision repair, the cheapest number on paper is not always the best value in the real world. If you want a clear, honest estimate and a team that will explain things in plain language, come see us at Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com for a free estimate. We'll help you understand what your vehicle really needs and why.